everybody, how are you? Hope you're all okay, and thank you for joining me. I'm going to get onto the trend this time. I don't normally do I, but I love these butterfly or fairy wings that I've seen, and I'll show you what I'm using. I'm going to use this Varnail Aurora Mermaid gel, and I've picked 4 out. I asked you all to let me know what your favourites were, and I've got something for everybody here. And I don't know who to credit with this. I don't know who started it, and I've seen a few people do it and slight differences. So if anybody does know who actually started this trend, I don't know, you can pop me it in the description box, because I've no idea, but thank you to whoever did. And I'm going to use these Aurora Mermaid gels, and I'm going to put all 4 colours on each nail, and I'm going to do a full set so I can put them into my Etsy store. So if you want to buy any, you can. Anyway, I've sized them all up, so I'm doing them for myself. So these are almond tips. With my thumbnail, I have to cut the bottom off just to make it square, because I've got a very straight cuticle area. And on this hand, I've got a bent, I don't even know if you can see my glove, but I've got a bent finger. So I have to make an allowance for that by taking the bottom off the nail so I can put the nail on straight instead of it looking like that. So if you've got a bent finger, don't follow the line of the finger, follow the rest of the hand, and then they look okay. So that's what I've done there. So that's why that one looks a bit funny. So I'm going to base coat them all. I've got 4 brushes, so I'm going to use a brush for each colour. So these are the Varnail ones. These are the oval that come in the set of 10 solid gels. So that's those. Oh, I need to get my black solid gel out as well. I'll get that in a sec. Yeah, so I've got 2 of those. I've got one that I got from Melody Susie in a kit, so that's a nice one. And then the only other one I've got is this one, which I think is a bit too small. So, that one will do. Yeah, that one will do. I'll use that. So let's get them base coated, and then we'll get on with the design. So I'll probably actually just show you one and then show you the finished set. So 4 colours on each nail, so I'm using 6, 7, 9 and 11. And a different brush for each one, just to save cleaning it off every time. So I've done the base coat, and now I'm just going to do the top corner. So that's 6. Seven. Six, 7, 9, 11. So that darker bit's just the glue from the sticky pad. I'm using these. I don't know if you know, but if you want them in pots, you can get base and tempered top coat in pots as well. I have got a Varnail haul coming, because I had to order a new tempered top coat, so I thought I'll use that one today. And then I've got the black and the white in the solid gel polish. But I don't know yet whether I'm going to use white for dots or whether I'm going to use different colours. I'll decide. So So I'm doing these colours in the same places again. So I've done the 4 colours, but you could do each nail just in 1 colour each if you wanted. Now if you want the colours a bit of a deeper colour, put a coat of white on first. So I just want to intensify, I'm going to do a 3rd coat. This also adds strength to the press-ons. So they're all done, so they've now had a coat of matte. So you can see what this one looks like in matte, if you like that. And then I haven't got a gel polish in black. I've got this solid colour, which is 01 for the solid gel polishes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, for all the set, I'm going to need quite a bit. So I'm just going to take that out of there. And to make that flow a little bit more, I'm going to put some base coat in it and mix. Not that much. Not much. And a long liner. So twizzle that, make sure it's full. And I want to go to about here. Going to be black all around the top. Before I paint that white, I'm going to wipe off any tacky layer. Otherwise, it's just going to get into the white. I've got some white gel paint on here. Not happy with that because I made a little line on it. Play. Our top coat, and it'll all come to life. Oh, beautiful. Wow. And now, as if by magic, the whole set will be done. So I've still got this set to do, this hand, and I've done this one. So every nail's different, just do whatever you feel like doing. So I'm just going to kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Float. Just going to kind of float this top coat on. If you don't want to feel any, if you want it absolutely completely smooth, top coat will fit and then top coat again. But I'm okay with this, that's fine. Oh, that mermaid's beautiful. Come summer, I'll do some mermaid nails with it. I'll put you the discount code for Varnail in the description box. Please don't buy things full price and not use the discount code. I know they are affiliate links and we make a few pennies. That's about it basically. But you pay exactly the same as you would do. Don't matter whose code you use. But 25% off, it's not to be sniffed at, is it? I think that's a really generous discount code. And I use it basically. I've used it for the haul that I've got coming up, and I'll tell you how much I've saved when I do that. But it was absolutely brilliant. But you can't use it on mystery boxes and stuff. That makes sense because they're heavily discounted anyway. But yeah, do yourself a favour. Make yourself a playlist in your YouTube so you can put anybody's discount codes in that. Look at them. Oh, they're beautiful. Right, I'm going to pop them on. I'll finish those, pop them on, I'll come back and show you before I go. So, I'll put some little sticky tabs on my fingers and we'll stick these on. So, there. Ooh. I'm just using tabs. You can stick them on with proper glue if you want. So here we are. Hope you've enjoyed watching. Thank you very much if you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to click the like, and if you subscribe, if you haven't done already, that would be marvellous. And I will see you soon with some more videos. Take care. Love you. Bye.